Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Power BI Desktop for Analytics with Big Datasets, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Microsoft Power BI website. Look for the Download or Products section on the homepage. Click on the link that directs you to Power BI Desktop. You'll be redirected to the download page. Here, you will see options for different platforms. Select the option compatible with your operating system. Click the download button to start the downloading process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation. If prompted, choose Yes to allow the application to make changes to your device. The Power BI Desktop installation wizard will open. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Choose your preferred language if prompted. Click Next to move to the license agreement. Read through the license agreement carefully. Select I accept the terms in the license agreement to proceed. Click Next. Choose the installation folder or keep the default location. Select Install to begin the installation process. The installation may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the Setup wizard. Now, find Power BI Desktop in your Applications menu or desktop. Double-click the Power BI Desktop icon to launch the application. Upon first launch, you may need to sign in with your Microsoft account. After signing in, you will be greeted with the Power BI Desktop interface. To begin analytics with Big Datasets, import your data by clicking on Get Data. Select the appropriate data source for your dataset. Navigate through the options and choose your dataset type. Follow the prompts to connect your data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.